Did you know that a simple bowl of oats can be a powerhouse for your health? This humble grain, often overlooked, packs a nutritional punch that can transform your well-being. Oats are not just a breakfast staple. They are a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed throughout the day. Oats are bursting with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. They are a great source of fiber, especially a unique soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This type of fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and helping to lower it. Oats also provide a steady release of energy thanks to their complex carbohydrates. This means you'll feel fuller for longer and avoid those mid-morning energy crashes. Eating oats regularly can have a positive impact on various aspects of your health. Oats are not just a simple breakfast option. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your well-being. Their cholesterol-lowering effect can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. By incorporating oats into your daily diet, you can take a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy heart. The fiber in oats also promotes a healthy gut, keeping things moving smoothly and preventing digestive discomfort. This dietary fiber acts as a natural cleanser for your digestive system, ensuring that you feel light and energetic throughout the day. And because oats provide sustained energy, they can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. The slow-releasing carbohydrates in oats ensure that you have a steady supply of energy, making them an excellent choice for athletes and anyone looking to maintain balanced energy levels. Section 4. Oat standing ideas. Easy ways to enjoy oats every day. Oats are a versatile and nutritious ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Incorporating oats into your daily routine is easier than you think. They are not only healthy, but also incredibly versatile, making them a perfect addition to any meal. The most obvious way is to enjoy a warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. You can top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrition. But don't stop there. Get creative and add oats to smoothies for extra creaminess and fiber. Blend them with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a splash of milk for a delicious and filling drink. You can also use oats in baking, substituting them for flour in muffins or cookies. This not only adds a unique texture, but also boosts the nutritional value of your baked goods. Oats can even be used as a base for savory dishes like veggie burgers or as a topping for soups and salads. They add a delightful crunch and a boost of fiber to any meal. So whether you're looking for a hearty breakfast, a nutritious snack, or a creative dinner option, oats have got you covered. Section 5. Your oat adventure begins. A delicious tip and a call to action. Welcome to the exciting world of oats, where endless possibilities await you. Whether you're a seasoned oat enthusiast or just starting your journey, we've got something special for you. Here's a special tip to elevate your oat game. Try overnight oats. This simple yet delicious method will transform your mornings. Simply combine oats, your favorite milk or yogurt, and toppings like fruits, nuts, or seeds in a jar. The combinations are endless, allowing you to customize your breakfast to your taste and nutritional needs. Refrigerate overnight and wake up to a convenient and delicious breakfast. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick yet nutritious. Start incorporating oats into your diet and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. Oats are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. Share your favorite oat recipes and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier lives, one delicious bowl at a time. Your creativity can spark new ideas and help others on their journey to better health.